Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcy and today we are doing another makeup look. I know I previously said I wasn't going to do makeup looks this year until I got some more organic makeup because I did really want to tap into that and try that stuff. But we're in quarantine, there's literally nothing else for me to do but film videos, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. And I did want to get back into filming makeup videos because I do enjoy putting makeup on and sharing that with you guys. So we are going to do another makeup look. So this makeup look is inspired by summertime. I really wanted a bronzy, glowing, dewy summer look. I am hoping that was actually what happened. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. And enough talking, let's just get started. I already started, but I wasn't recording audio, so this is where we're at. I'm using my Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula, and I already started putting it on my face.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy, just wanna be lazy.
Alright, next we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Natural Defense Top Coverage Concealer, which also has sunscreen in it, and this is in the shade Light. This is in the shade Light. And it's got the little tip at the top, so I just squeeze and the product comes out, and then I just dab it in the places where I want to conceal. So next I'm gonna go in and do my brows. So for this look I'm just doing really fluffy brows. I'm not doing like anything super big or snatched or sharp, just really big fluffy brows. For summertime I don't want it to be too, you know, like it looks like I have a lot of makeup on. I want it to seem really natural, you know, and I'm not putting too much product on as it is. This is really just a light look, just for like if you were to go out to a, you know, beach party or something, or like at a resort, you know, by the cabanas, you know, by the bar. Not that we're doing that, but like if you were to do that, you know, this is the look, you know, you gotta imagine it in your head. So I am using the Long Wearing Brow Gel Brow Last by Physicians Formula. I swear I'm not sponsored, y'all. Like, I just love Physicians Formula so much. And I'm just going to brush my brows out a little bit with this.
We so fly.
Now that that's finished, we're gonna move on to eyes. So for the eyes, I am doing this glazed bronze look. I'm gonna, you know, bronze up my face as well because your girl is looking pale. The literal only sunlight I get is from the walk from my house to the bus stop, and then from the bus stop to my job. That's the sun I get on a daily basis, and that's it. Just this really glowy bronzy look. I want it to be very dewy. I'm using all kinds of cream products in this, so that is the desired effect that I want. So for the eye look, I'm going to be using the Morphe Copper Spice 25A palette. This is a really nice palette. I got it a while ago. It's very warm colors, very fall type of theme to it. Let me take the plastic off. Very, very much warm, but they have some really nice shimmers down at the bottom and like a lot of mattes here, just like a lot of mattes in general. And I love this palette so much. I don't get to use it as much as I want. I'm really a very simplistic girl when it comes to my makeup. I have maybe 1 or 2 palettes I use on a regular basis. This is very like heavy on the fall side and warmer tones for like the winter season, so I don't use it as much. But every now and again I like to pull it out during the summertime for a little bronzy moment. So what I'm going to do is just gonna take one of these wonderful shimmer shades here because that seems That seems pretty bronze to me. I don't know, it's either between that one or that one. I might do a combination of these two. So I'm just going to take my finger and do this because I wanted to have a really like smudged effect.
Family don't suffer, fools glad they know. Do we kiss and lie in bed to feel awkward?
Oh, she is bold. She is bolder than I wanted her to be. But we're gonna work with it, it's fine. We are going to go in and clean this up, so I'm just going to take some concealer and put a little bit more around the edge here.
Not saying I'm some genius.
Okay, now I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush. I'm using the Morphe B81 blending brush. So that is the look so far. I'm going to, yeah, I think I'm going to keep the eyes like that. I wasn't really trying for as much orange as in there. It's really, it is more coppery than it is bronze, but we're gonna run with it. I'm gonna bronze up my face and hopefully that will balance everything out. I'm just going to pop on some mascara, and I am using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Mascara, of course, because this has tiny little bristles that get my little tiny lashes.
So close, but still we can hear. 'Cause I want something deeper. If I'ma find a keeper.
Now, I kind of skipped this step, but not really. I'm just gonna go back in and sort of smudge my under eye a little bit with one of these taupe colors.
If I find it, I'm a keeper. I find it, I'm a keeper. Not saying I'm some genius. Saying I'm some genius. Smart enough to know I'm worth fighting for.
So next, now that that's finished, I'm going to go in and put on my bronzer. For bronzing, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Cosmetics Cream Contour Palette. Y'all know I use this very often. It's one of my favorites. I'm just going to use this brown shade here, obviously, because I use it a lot. So next we're going to move on to blush. So I am going to be using a cream blush. I'm going to be using, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Stick blush. Also a favorite of mine. And I'm going to, I need a mirror. Just dab this on right in the center here in a heart shape because I like doing that. And then I'm going to go in finally and do my lips. So I'm going to line my lips really quick. I am using the Jante Blue lip liner in the shade Natural Beige. Alrighty, then I'm going to put this gloss on. I am using the Milani Lip Plumper Gloss in the shade Moonlight. That is the whole look. Finishing touches, I'm going to be putting on some Illuminating Primer Mist by e.l.f. Ooh, this stuff comes out hard. He is wet. I think I look good. I think this was a good bronzy look for like a beach day. I'm imagining it in my head. I'm sitting on a white sandy beach. There's clear blue water. There's very large buff men waving palm leaves in my direction and bringing me Long Island iced teas or pina coladas. Anyways, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification, you know you want to, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Ooh.